Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix this problem when you try to upload a YouTube video from your smartphone through the app like this. I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to YouTube like so. You want to head over to YouTube right here and find the video that you want to upload by clicking this. And this is record and all that, but I'm gonna find one that I don't really care about, like this one right here, the one that says 3 right there. You see right there, it says all apps associated with this action have been turned off or blocked or not installed. I'm going to show you how you can fix that problem right there. I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem when it says complete action using when it brings up this menu. So what you want to do first is you want to head over to your gallery on your smartphone like so. Head over to your gallery on your smartphone and then find the video that you want to upload like so. Find the video you want to upload. It's one of these. I'm going to click that one. You want to hard press it until it comes up with this check mark, but don't click the delete button or the 3 dots. Click share. Then it's gonna bring this option to where you can share it to wherever you want. Like so, you can share it to where you want. I'm gonna share it to YouTube right here. Then it says all this and all that, but all these options you can worry about that. This little menu that pops up that says copper and or other laws you're required to tell us. You can do all that in the YouTube Studio app like so. You can do all that options in the YouTube Studio app. Now what you want to do is you can title it whatever you want like so. Give it privacy, location and all that, but I'm just going to click upload right here and it should be uploading right now. It says right there, this video is ready to be watched. Now what you can do is you can watch the video like so. I'm going to show you the video right there. Right there, I'm going to show you the video. You see right there, that was just a time-lapse video right there. You see right there, it says that the video is uploaded and that you can watch it like right here. You saw the video played in YouTube. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to fix this problem when you want to upload a YouTube video with the YouTube app. So please like and subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.